Hello, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet button. And now you can add passes like Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card and Payment Card. If you go back and go to Explore Wallet, you can add payment cards, check Quick Tips, and again go to Add to Wallet. If you go to Menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup, which is unavailable because this tab doesn't have NFC. You can check full list of participating banks, and manage your password in Password Manager. Right here you can save and remove passwords saved to your account. In your data in wallet you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable or review your purchases and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end you can go to help and feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.